Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to switch back to old icons on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently installed iOS 26 and you have switched to the liquid glass icons, and if you want to switch back to old icons, and if you don't know how you can do that, for this what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you have been connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection, and after that have simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that have scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings, and after that you have to go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold on the blank screen on the home screen, and after that you have to click on edit. As you click on edit, you will find the option of customize option, and here you can simply find for that customize option here, and if you click on that customize icon, you can simply click on default or dark, any option you want. So in this way you can simply switch back to old icons on your iPhone iOS 26. So if you want to use a large icon, there are also option available, but if you want to use the smaller icon, there is also option available. Moreover, you can simply change the light settings according to your design. So if you want to more light, you can simply select that. In this way you can simply change the settings of your icons on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.